Okay.
Now those ones that never got changed, you're looking at some big money there.
Right.
Maybe $1 million or something.
The original. So what year would that be?
03.
1903.
With the rod bayonet. 03 or
Okay.
04.
Now what's a rod bayonet
Well, the
compared
one
to
that
the knife
goes on
bayonet?
here is a knife, right?
Yeah.
The rod was just a pointed
Just a rod. Huh. All right.
It was similar. Do you want
No, go ahead.
one at a time or all
Whatever.
five?
I'm running out of film.
That's how you'd use it.
Okay. Now fire it, then I can shut it off.
They told you to just do one at a time. This is
1906, 1903.
This is an 0503.
0503.
This rifle was made in 05.